Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit PDF on iPhone. And here's how it is done. If you have a PDF file, it is likely stored in your Files app. Open the Files app, navigate to the PDF, and tap on it. Once it is open, you will notice that your iPhone doesn't offer any built-in options to edit the file. You can rename, print, lock, or duplicate it, but there is no straightforward editing feature, even when you tap the Share option. So, how can you edit it? The solution is to download an app. Head over to the App Store and search for Microsoft 365. This app lets you edit PDFs seamlessly, along with other handy features. Once you download and install the app, sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if needed. After logging in, the app interface will guide you to upload your PDF file, typically via OneDrive or directly from your phone. Tap the plus icon to upload the file you want to edit. Select your PDF and it will start uploading. After uploading, tap on the PDF to open it. Now you'll see an edit option. Just tap it to start making changes. You can type directly into the PDF and edit it however you need. When you are done, simply save your changes. There's even an option to convert the PDF into a Word document for additional flexibility. And that is everything you need to know about how to edit PDF on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.